What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna talk about this highway foot pegs from Benlari that I'm gonna unbox and install on my bike and give you some opinions about them. Okay, so these foot pegs are made from a durable aluminum alloy, so you can adjust them to any position you want when you install them. I'll show you in a minute. And it's perfect for like long rides. They're good for any brand and motorcycle that are fitted with crash bars, anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Okay, so when you open the box, first you're gonna see a manual, pretty well packed here, like with this styrofoam or whatever you call this thing to protect them. You got the foot pegs here. They feel durable. They feel a little heavy, but not very heavy. They have a small cut right here, you know, just in case, you never know. So we got 2 of these. Okay, these are the mounting brackets that go on the bars, basically. Okay, I got some hardware screws, stuff like that, and these plastic things that are gonna go inside like that. Okay, guys, so first of all we need to find the position where you want the foot pegs. Okay, whoever I bought his bike from already had some foot pegs installed here, and they drilled a hole in here, which is not the way I would do something, you know. Those foot pegs were not very good and could not stay put if you don't drill a hole. So let's see how these are compared to those. My height, I'm gonna try to put them somewhere here. Okay, so first I'm gonna have this here. I'm just gonna put these screws here to hold it in place. Maybe let's put the other one here. Then we're gonna put the plastic things in between. Like so. Slide it down a little. Okay. And then we can start tightening the screws. For the screws, I like to work in metric measurements. You can use a 6mm Allen key. Now, in the manual they recommend to use a ratchet. Unfortunately, I don't have a 6mm head for my ratchet on me right now. And they also recommend tighten the screws as much as possible. So I'm gonna do it with the Allen key right now, and whenever I get my tools from the other car, I'll come and tighten more if needed. Anyway, just gonna tighten this. I would go a little bit from each side, not too much on one side and then, you know, not on the other side. So some from one side, some from the other side. Then we have this thing right here. This is like a gear, as you can see. So this you can position it any way you want and it's gonna stay put. Okay, so for example, like this is in this angle, I can position it like that, and when I close the foot peg, it's gonna close on the same line. Makes sense? Or you can position it like that if you want, or like that, however you want, or down, however you want you can position it. But for me, I think I'll position it like that high, and I just go down from there, you know. I think this makes the most sense for me. So we're gonna position that over there, and then we're gonna screw this other screw in here. Then we're gonna put the foot peg. We're gonna get this pin. I'm going to put it here like that. And then it has one of these washers or whatever you call it. And you just slide it here. 1 second. That's it. They move very easy. So it's very easy to put them up or down. Okay. They stay in position here though, where they make the clicks. I don't know if you can hear them. Okay, stays in position. Has a little play. It looks good for me, for my height. I mean, I am 6'4". Also, the foot peg has some creases here, so it's non-slippery. Just noticed that now. And man, this feels so light and so nice. I think it's a good add-on, honestly. If you're doing miles and stuff, it's a good add-on to my bike. And you cannot even tell it's there. Like, look. Pretty nice. Flush on the line of the bike. Yeah, I really do recommend this. They're much better than the previous one that my bike came with when I bought it. So that's why I took the others off and I installed this. I didn't like those. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so I have both of them installed right now. The left and the right over there. And the good thing is, like again, they look very stylish, and you can just remove it like that with your leg. Very easy to put down and up, even from the bike. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question about the product, again, Benlari Highway Pegs. I'm gonna put a link in the description below as well. And let me know. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.